All right, so we only got 5 minutes, so we're going to make this one quick. Breakups can be pretty messy. What a topic right after Valentine's Day. When someone gets their heart broken, they have two options, really. One involves them. No, they don't have two options. You have more options. The options that are here is you cry for days into a pint of ice cream. I'm lactose intolerant. That wouldn't be me. And watching some romantic comedies. The other is take the road of petty and savage revenge.
Not me either.
Or you can be happy and move on.
Yeah.
Or
be sad and move on.
You can move on.
Until you're happy again.
What would you take back from your partner after a breakup?
My peace. P-E-A-C-E.
So this is where me and enough people now go agree now.
Hit the road, Jack.
If you give someone something, it's theirs.
And you take it back.
Why?
You will get a sty on your eye.
Yes.
A boil.
Not give somebody something if you don't intend to give them something. A loan is different from a gift. Let me say that again. A loan is different from a gift. So if you give somebody something and you take it back, that means it was a loan. It wasn't a gift. So people, before you take things, be very clear. Is this a loan or is this a gift?
And also, if that is the case and they give something to you and say it's a gift and they take it back, then that is theft.
How do they take it back?
Then just take it back. So maybe they gave you a ring. Maybe they gave you a ring.
And how they gonna get it back?
And when you break up, you know...
They're gonna say what?
They just find themselves into where they know the ring is.
Or
and
broke into my house.
No, in that moment when you break up, maybe, you know, you go to the kitchen or whatever, he leaves, but he swipes the ring before he goes.
That's a different girl talk. Because if you're breaking up in your house, then you don't know nothing about what you're doing.
All right, let's assume that you're broken up in your house.
No, don't break up at your house. Don't break up at your house.
Yes, but let's assume.
Gentlemen, don't carry no woman to your house to break up with no woman. Girls, don't carry no man to your house to break up with no man.
But sometimes the breakup isn't planned.
If you don't like your furniture, if you're thinking about redoing your property, don't carry. You can't get them out of the house after the breakup.
It's a dangerous place to be, but sometimes arguments start and breakups come from arguments, which invariably happen inside the house. Sometimes it's not a plan.
No, you come in.
No.
The argument starts and I see the edge to the breakup. I'm going to say, you know what, let's take a breather. And after you go through the grill, I think we break up. Yeah.
It's over. So give back the thing, then you say, well, you're out the door and the things are in
Let me tell you something. True story. There was an individual, got engaged. The man didn't break it off. He took the ring. He says he threw it into the bowl and flushed it.
Into the toilet?
The fact is, she called the police, this is in America, and said he stole my property.
But it is her, that's what I was just saying.
And he was arrested and duly deported to Jamaica. Correct. Correct.
Wow.
Because when him said, no, I didn't steal it, and the police said, so where is it? And he said, I flushed it. They said, oh, so you can't produce the property? You stole it.
Was it really worth it?
No, it wasn't. So what would you take back? This one said, I stole my ex's hat from her apartment. I don't even wear hats. I just knew she liked it.
Petty.
So usually when people take things, it's because they want to spite you.
Petty.
The mattress. We lived together for a few months. The bed was mine. He broke up with me while I was traveling for work. When I was back in town a few weeks later, I took it. He had to sleep on the floor. Oh. But for how long, though?
I think he's okay with it.
Girl, you went and paid moving costs to take a mattress out of the man's house.
Or she can't.
And you could have used that money and go to the spa.
Yeah, yeah. I'm posing a bed bug in a mattress. It wouldn't have been worth it. I
well,
mean,
them not sleep on the mattress.
It's so just not worth it.
The bed bug, but
not worth it.
They look here.
Not
go
worth
do your
it.
nails, man.
A mate of mine took the forks and spoons.
I don't know what Clive said. I ripped the second to last page out of the amazing book he was reading. He cheated on me many times, so I feel fine about it. Because the book don't sell nowhere else,
he can buy another book or even just download it. A piece of the jigsaw puzzle he was in the middle of. Oh, gosh. Okay, let me see if I can get to
I took my Netflix password and the good pair of tongs. To this day, I still feel a sense of satisfaction when I cook with them. He feels a sense of satisfaction when he's eating the food that the next lady cooked for him to eat. I'm telling you, these things don't work, ladies. Let it go.
Number 9 says, I took all the light bulbs and toilet paper. I left some random glitter on things like his couch cushions and in his shampoo. It just means he's going to be smiling and shining when he goes wherever he goes. And you may have stolen the toilet paper, but if you realize the toilet paper is missing, you can just go in the bath. I mean, you know, there are other ways to clean up. It's
After a
true.
15-year friendship breakup, by the way, he said a friendship breakup, which means
well, it could be another lady.
They were not in a relationship. In her mind, but clearly in his mind they were. I took one of her high-heeled shoes, so she'd forever be looking for the other one.
Obviously, when you find out it's missing, you know. Anyway, I don't know. Number 12, I think, is empowerment, and this because this was a choice. It says, I did the opposite and returned everything he ever gave me.
Somebody on our thing says, I burnt his car documents.
You did what?
No, sir.
Asking for trouble.
This says, I didn't take it, but I hid his favorite watch in the space behind, under the drawers in his bedside table.
Oh, man.
I just want to say, when you take something from the person and then you have it, then you have taken upon, apart from it being theft, you have taken this thing with you that's going to just be...
It's a go zoom.
You know, you just want the breakup.
Bad energy.
Just sever the ties. Sever the ties. When you hold on to the people's property, you're holding on to negativity. You're holding on to something that never worked. Every man you meet from thenceforth, this 1 foot or woman, this 1 foot of shoes are going to remind you, say, this woman.
Walk away with your peace and your sanity. Yes, you walk away with a lot. News is next.
Let it go. She burned the car papers. Mercy.